Diesel Viper. It's one of our newest products we're bringing out. Tier 4 compliancy has been a big issue. Fuel consumption rates have been a big issue, and weight is always an issue. Multiple unit systems that are out there, whether it's hydraulic-driven compressors, engine-driven compressors, are always trying to get weight down, footprint down, with the air output bigger. Our package that we're just releasing is the Diesel Viper again. It's an 80 CFM rotary screw compressor. It's 80 CFM at 100 PSI at full throttle. The engine runs at a full throttle of 3,600 RPMs, and at an idle speed of 2,200 RPMs, we are still putting out 48 CFM at 100 PSI for you to do your job. So this system is going to be able to handle most all of your 90-pound jackhammers or pavement breakers, which I prefer to call it. It's going to run piercing tools, even up to a 1.5-inch impact wrench. And yes, most people's eyes get big and think 1.5-inch impact wrench. They've never heard of it. They look familiar, similar to a pavement breaker, but it's a man's work there. So, with that being said, the system is very small, 47 inches, so it can still be loaded inside your load space up against the bulkhead of your truck, if you prefer there. But at 800 pounds, you're able to side pack mount this as well. Easily accessible service points. So exterior-wise, drop down front panel there. It's going to give us access to the 600 amp cold cranking amp battery, the automotive grade battery to help with cold start. It's going to give us access to all of our filters, fluid drain hoses, as well as if you have like cold weather packages, which we offer in both 12 volt and 120 volt systems to be wired in. Again, on the perimeter of the side, sheet metal, it's galvanized blended sheet metal steel. Powder coat that for corrosion purposes, as well as to give it a final finish. That's great. LCD display that we have on the front is a digital readout. This is going to give you full control of the machine. It's very user-friendly. It incorporates a sleep mode. It is automatic. Another fuel-saving feature that we have out there. I can program this to a 5-minute, 10-minute, or 15-minute interval. So if there's no air draw coming from the machine, the system will go into sleep mode and shut itself off. At a full load, it's burning about 1.25 gallons of fuel per hour. So if we've got a piece of equipment out there that's running non-stop for no reason, you can imagine the cost of that. On top of the display here, it's going to give you, like I said, it's going to give you your air output readings, your RPM readings that are coming out of the system, as well as your out readings, and interaction with the system itself. Factory leaves it with it mounted in the panel, but it can be ordered with a 3-foot, 6-foot, 12-foot extension harness if you'd like to remote mount that in, say, a side compartment or inside the cab of your truck. Again, for ease of convenience and